Limnological Insights and Ecological Health Assessment of Ullal Lake in North Bangalore, a study on seasonal dynamics and zebrafish Danio Rerio physiological response. The degradation of lakes due to anthropogenic activities poses significant threats to biodiversity and ecosystem health. Bangalore city in Karnataka is known for its serene environment, landscapes, and IT development. The continuous inflow of people from various states and increased anthropogenic activities have caused stress to lake ecosystems and influenced the seasons. The present research investigates the seasonal and spatial variations in the limnological factors of Ullal Lake in Bangalore North to identify environmental stressors and assess its ecological health. Limnological assessments were conducted at Ullal Lake between June 2022 and July 2023, aligning with the seasonal patterns of the Indian subcontinent. Composite water samples were collected from 3 sampling stations: an open surface, a deposit, and an inlet. These samples were analyzed for physicochemical factors, including pH, temperature, conductivity, humidity, turbidity, dissolved oxygen, biochemical oxygen demand, chemical oxygen demand, hardness, alkalinity, and the most probable number. Seasonal patterns and developmental stages in Danio Rerio were also examined to evaluate the environmental stress. The physical, chemical, and biological parameters analyzed from the 3 sampling stations underwent descriptive statistics, the Shapiroval test, and the one-way ANOVA, the Kruskal-Wallis test. Significant fluctuations were observed in the physical parameters. Oxygen-dependent variables also varied, including hardness, alkalinity, and microbial load. Seasonal patterns showed that environmental factors like temperature, humidity, and biological activity influenced water quality. Specifically, pH and conductivity were most influenced during spring, while autumn significantly affected dissolved oxygen and microbial load. Summer exhibited elevated alkalinity and turbidity. Developmental stages in Danio Rerio were unaffected in the open surface and inlet stations, but decreased heart rate indicated environmental stress at the deposit and inlet stations. The open surface station demonstrated superior water quality compared to the other 2 stations. The study highlights the importance of seasonal dynamics in influencing limnological parameters and the ecological health of Ullal Lake. It recommends addressing seasonal variations, continuous monitoring, and the implementation of sustainable management practices for the conservation and sustainability of these wetlands. The limited number of sampling stations and the 1-year study period may be limitations of the current investigation. Future studies could address these by including more sampling stations and extending the study period. Introduction. Freshwater makes up only a small fraction of Earth's water, and lakes are a key source for human use. However, lakes are rapidly degrading due to pollution from growing cities, agriculture, and industry. Bangalore, a major Indian city, has seen rapid urban growth, which has led to the decline of its lakes. These water bodies are now filled with waste and harmful substances, threatening the plants and animals that depend on them. Monitoring lake health is essential, as poor water quality can lead to problems like the spread of invasive plants and loss of biodiversity. This study focuses on Ullal Lake in North Bangalore, examining water quality and the impact of pollution at 3 different points: surface water, lakebed deposits, and inflow areas. It also uses a small fish species, Danio Rerio, as a biological indicator to assess the lake's health. The goal is to support efforts to protect and restore these important ecosystems. Conclusion. A comprehensive study of limnological parameters at Ullal Lake revealed significant seasonal and spatial variations across sampling stations. Ullal Lake in North Bangalore demonstrates moderate ecological health overall. The study signifies the influence of environmental factors such as temperature, humidity, and biological activity on water quality. Spring, monsoon, and winter contribute to the seasonal dynamics of limnological parameters. Despite limnological variations, the developmental stages of the Ririo embryos were unaffected except for delayed development observed in the deposit station. Raj and Philip, 2024. Heartbeat count suggests potential environmental stressors. Overall, open surface water quality appeared superior to the deposit and inlet stations. Continuous water monitoring and management practices ensure the sustainability and health of freshwater ecosystems. The study highlights the intricate relationship between seasonal variations and ecological health. By recognizing and addressing these seasonal dynamics through effective policy regulation, we can sustainably manage and better protect this vital freshwater resource within rapidly urbanizing regions. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology, and medicine.